Increased insulin resistance often coexists with what we call metabolic syndrome, which includes high blood pressure, high LDL cholesterol, high triglycerides, and obesity. This mainly occurs due to an unhealthy diet and a sedentary life. Increased insulin resistance is very dangerous, as along with metabolic syndrome, it leads to a myriad of chronic diseases we know better as lifestyle diseases. In today's video, 8 signs you are getting insulin resistant. I am Dr. Rohan Fonseca, and if you are new here and would like to become a healthier and fitter version of yourself, please do subscribe. Let's get this started. When we eat food, the pancreas secretes insulin. Glucose is absorbed through the intestine from the food we eat. Insulin facilitates the absorption of this glucose into the cells of our body for energy. Blood glucose is more commonly known as blood sugar. Insulin resistance occurs when the cells of your body are unable to respond well to insulin, and the cells are unable to absorb the glucose and provide you with energy. This leaves the glucose circulating in the bloodstream and leads to a lot of complications. Here are 8 signs when your body is telling you that you are getting insulin resistant. Weight gain, especially around the waist. Body fat around the abdomen is mostly visceral fat. This is thick, dense fat around the organs. This not only contributes to increased insulin resistance but also is a contributory factor for high blood pressure. Fatigue. This is probably because your cells are unable to absorb enough glucose for energy. And this is a sign that your body is asking you to slow down because of lack of available energy. Increased hunger and thirst. This reason is entwined with the last one. Your body is craving for more energy and thereby is forcing you to eat some more. This ends up in a vicious circle wherein you put on even more body fat by overeating. Increased frequency of urination. You will realize that you are going to the loo much more often than usual. It might even wake you up quite often during the middle of the night. This is because you are probably drinking much more water than usual. Also, your glycogen stores might be depleted, and as we know, glycogen holds on to water. Skin darkening. It is quite common to get dark velvety patches on your skin when you get insulin resistant. This is especially common on the base of the neck. This condition is scientifically known as acanthosis nigricans. Tingling in the hands and feet. This is because of disturbances in the tiny blood vessels in your hands and feet. High blood sugar levels cause disturbances in the microvasculature of your extremities. Hair fall and acne. This happens due to hormonal disturbances due to elevated blood sugar levels. Frequent infections. Infections of the urinary tract and slow healing wounds of the hands and feet. This is because elevated blood sugar levels provide a great substrate for bacteria and viruses to grow and multiply. Get your blood sugar levels checked on a regular basis and also your glycosylated hemoglobin. Glycosylated hemoglobin is also known as HbA1c and glucose memory test. It is known as glucose memory test because it gives your average blood glucose level over the last 3 months. For your convenience, I will leave a link with a downloadable requisition slip down in the description. I hope this video has provided you with some value. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to click the like button. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.